What if I told you there's a simple beginner blackjack strategy that can tilt the odds in your favor? And it's so easy, you could learn it in less than 5 minutes. Forget complicated charts. Today, I'm showing you the 4-5-6 rule, the one trick that helped me turn small bets into real wins. Welcome back to the channel. If you love learning smart strategies and insider tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and join our growing family of players who play smart, not just lucky. Here's the truth. Casino market research shows that most blackjack beginners lose because they play on gut feeling instead of using a structured plan. That's where the 4-5-6 rule comes in. It's backed by probability, and it works especially well against certain dealer cards. Here's how it works. When the dealer's face-up card is a 4, 5, or 6, they're in the danger zone. These are the weakest dealer cards because they often force the dealer to draw extra cards and risk busting. In these situations, you, as the player, play more conservatively. That means you stand on totals you might normally hit, like a 12 or 13, and you avoid taking unnecessary risks. The dealer's own bad position does the heavy lifting for you. I still remember my first time trying this. I walked into a Vegas casino with $50, and every time the dealer showed a 4, 5, or 6, I stayed calm, played the rule, and watched them bust over and over. I left that table with $220 and a whole lot of confidence. If you're thinking about sharing your blackjack journey online, remember, branding matters. Pick a unique style, use clean visuals, and post consistently. Monetization comes later. Start with trust and a recognizable voice, and the wins will follow. So remember, if the dealer's up card is a 4, 5, or 6, your best bet is to play safe and let them make the mistakes. It's not magic. It's math, and it works. Now you've got a winning strategy in your pocket. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and join the family. Because the smartest players always stick together. Until next time, play smart, stay sharp, and may the cards be in your favor.